this is Kelly and welcome back to Fridays with SKKT, and SKKT is Shop Kelkeltan in short, and I'm having my morning coffee right now. If you guys have not drank your coffee, go grab a coffee and join me. I have one major question to ask you guys. So, have you guys ever wondered whether you are actually fat or just constipated or just simply bloated? Because that question pops up in my mind every single night prior to this new product that I want to tell you guys. And like, it's just a huge concern to me because my tummy really got super duper bloated. I was just like, insert a photo here. I'm actually not very keen to show you guys this photo because I am very embarrassed. And if you guys actually watched my previous YouTube video, I was really sad about like my weight gain, and recently I just accepted it, and most of it actually came with this weird symptom that I had. Like, I am just very constipated and my tummy just got bloated like really quickly, and I really don't know what was happening. I actually wanted to go to see a doctor and to see if I had IBS, which is irritable bowel symptoms or irritable bowel system. So I'll just put the right abbreviation here. I really didn't know what was going on at that point of time. Cancelled out a lot of food like beans and I think potatoes, and also like all the junk food. So recently I got to know about this new Naked Blend Peach Detox Glow. It's a detox drink and I actually really like it because it really flattens my tummy. Let me show you guys the before and after drinking this, because I actually am a very skeptical person and I don't really like to go for detoxifying or slimming drinks because I am very pessimistic in terms of detox drinks out there. So like, I felt that like previously I bought a lot of these kind of items and I was literally scammed and there was zero results, so I was just like meh about it. But when I tried this for the first time, it had an instant effect. I know like there are a few like detoxifying drinks out there, and I know everyone has been like raving about it. I personally also tried a certain brand, and for me I think that experience was a little bit more painful as compared to this, because yes, like it helped me detox you know, the feces in my system, but the experience was just very painful, and I didn't like that kind of like pain every single day, and that's why I stopped taking that detoxifying drink. But this time we have this Peach Detox Glow. It firstly tastes really good, and I'm super aligned with the core values of this brand. This brand not only has the Peach Detox Glow for detoxifying, it also has their original milk tea to suppress appetite, but this time I'm just like focusing on telling you guys about this Peach Detox Glow because I really stand by this product and I really like it. So firstly, why I want to bring in this item, because of how great the effect is. So this takes effect within 6 hours, so it's kind of instant. So you know, like when I had that instant results, right, I was just like, okay, I'm gonna buy this item and then see if I like it. If I like it, then I'll sell it. And after 1 month of me trying personally, and I also asked my good friend Sakura to try it out, and she really loved it too. So yeah, we decided to bring this into our store, and it is already listed on our website shopkelkeltan.com and also on Shopee. Shopee right now we are having free shipping March, so go ahead and check out there. Anyways, why I say that the core value of this brand is really great and I am aligned with it is because firstly, it is made in Singapore, so all hail Singaporean local brands. Support local, okay? And I mean support local. And another thing is that it is halal, it is cruelty free, it has ISO certification, it is also gluten free, dairy free, and it's made out of all natural products, and then it has zero refined sugar. It is keto friendly and also vegan friendly. So this is actually really versatile and it fits perfectly in everyone's diet. If you are going through like keto diet or you have like a more strict vegan diet, this is totally fine. You can just put this into your food routine, I mean like after your meal. So this is like perfect and it's gluten free, and I don't drink cow's milk anymore, so the dairy free element is just amazing for me. It's like chef kiss. And another thing is that it tastes amazing. It actually tastes like the peach konnyaku chia seed jelly. Oh yeah, I want to tell you guys that we have chia seeds in this, so the ingredients will be here. Let me just put it down here so you guys can see for a longer time. I just want to highlight a few key ingredients we have in this Peach Detox Glow. Firstly, we have the chia seed, we have lemon juice, we have natural peach powder, we have natural fruit collagen, and then we have like fruit enzyme and fiber, and a lot of the other ingredients will be listed here, so no worries, you guys can go online to my web store to find out more. And we have a lot of like the informatic IG stories on our IG handle will be linked here, so you guys can go take a look. So each box has 15 sachets and each box is currently retailing at $65. So each sachet, so it looks like that. Let's open it. So each sachet, right, it only contains 49 calories, so you don't have to be afraid that it has too high of a calorie. And also you can see by the box, it looks really nice. With every purchase, you will get a shaker bottle. It looks like a protein shaker bottle, and then it has like a little metal ball inside for the easy shaking process. Another thing is that you know, you can take it anytime in the take one sachet before you sleep, and the next day you will feel that instant effect, like the instant morning reminder to clear your bowel system. You can take it in the morning as well if you have like no meetings, you have like no agenda in that day, you just want to like stay home, detox, like a Sunday, so you can just like do this in the morning if you want to. But I highly recommend you guys to just take it at night, and then in the morning you can just have like an easier like shit session. So that would be great. I don't know if it's me, but let me know in a comment down below if like taking a dump in the morning, first thing in the morning, is the best feeling ever, because like I feel like everything I ate last night was just like pooped out. Best feeling ever. So previously when I had that bloated tummy before knowing this Peach Detox Glow, I was very low, no confidence at all. Like whenever I wear like tight pants or like tight skirts, right, I'll feel really fat. I know like we should embrace our body, but like that wasn't my body at all. Like I really didn't have this kind of like bloated tummy or like constipation like in my life like for such a long period. It was like ranging from maybe 3 to 4 months, and I was just like miserable, and it screws up my whole mindset, my whole like hormonal like balance, and like I was just in a very low place. Now that I have tried out like Peach Detox Glow and I have incorporated it in my daily life, I really am a lot like at ease, and I don't have to go to the doctor and waste like $100 to or more to like, you know, get like probiotics, medicine or anything, because we already have it in here. So let me tell you guys the benefit of this product. Anyway, disclaimer, this detox drink is not a miracle slimming product. It's just helping you to smooth out that bowel system, and if you really want to lose weight, you really have to go on a calorie deficit, and you have to exercise, work out and drink tons of water. Yeah, so just for clarification, I don't want you guys to have any false messages or any like distorted mindset that a detox drink is able to help you lose weight. Just that if you suffer from like constipation or any form of bloatedness, right, you can use this, and this really helps with just like reducing the size of your tummy. But in terms of just like losing weight, it really depends on like how much food you are taking every single day. So I'm gonna show you my experience journey with this Peach Detox Glow, and I'll come back later. I'm gonna try this out today. The Naked Blend here, we have this pink shaker bottle. I just washed it, and it has the shaker little ball in there, so if you want to drink like protein shake with it, you're able to, and it looks so luxe. I really like it. And then here we have the Peach Detox. Right now it's about 11:36, and then we're gonna take this because today I ate a lot of cookies, and we're gonna try this out for the first time because I mean, you know, I like to try new stuff and get you guys good stuff to purchase as well. So let me put some water in here and then shake this up. I know I look crazy, but this is me in my habitat, in my nest. Oh my god, can you see like chocolate here? LOL! Okay, proof of me eating a lot of chocolate chip cookie, and then we're trying out the Peach Detox Glow right now. It's actually quite palatable, and it has like little bits of peach in there. I'm not sure if it's like the little powder build up that I did not stir properly. No, but in fact I think I can like taste the oh my god, it's the chia seeds. Oh my god, this is amazing eh. And honestly, like the real chia seed makes it very like trustworthy. And also like I think this is like halal certified, and it has gone through most of like the food certification, which I trust a lot, because in Singapore it's like literally super difficult to even get certified for like most of the things. It takes a while, so I'm sure like they did a lot of like, you know, research for this. It's my first night trying this out. If I really like it, I might bring it in, but we shall see. We have a few brand launches, I mean new brand launches this month. So today is like the 28th of February, tomorrow is the 1st of March. Oh, the year just goes by so quickly actually, to be honest. Like 2021 literally flew by. Like, okay, poopy update. I just pooped, and today's like was pretty smooth. It wasn't like painful at all, so it's just like the second day. And yeah, we'll just like look. Third day of makeup Blend Peach Detox Glow, and actually really excited to drink because it tastes so good, it smells so good, and it has chia seeds. Can you see? Guys, OMG, my makeup blend bottle cap just like flew out because I didn't clip it in, and this looks like a freaking mess. OMG, what the heck, guys? Please like hold on to it when you shake. Okay, so now I'm just gonna drink like just a little bit left. Not sure if I should just pour it away and just like make a new one. This person is still eating. Looks like that, and you can see the chia seeds in there. Ooh. I'm gonna let her try. I'm gonna try this first taste test. 有没有好喝？好喝。Better than the orange one, right? Tastes like peach iced tea, 有没有？
Very nice.
Hello friends, I'm gonna drink the Detox Glow, the Peach Detox Glow, because I really love it. And like what I just said, I had mookata just now and I feel damn gross right now because like I'm all sticky and I feel very fat. So I'm gonna take this. I want to drink it like ice cold, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this. This has like a little ball in here, like, you know, protein shake. You can just like shake the solution out really evenly, and this helps with immunity, health, gut. You know, healthy gut health is like super important because I actually do have like some constipation issue, and yeah, of course, like with gut health and have like a better digestion system, right? Of course, your tummy will be a lot smooth, like flatter. I wanted to say slimmer, but flatter should be a better word. And then here we have. It just really smells damn good already. Okay. And then I'm gonna shake it up. So when you shake, right, please cover this lid because if not, it will be like me
I actually accidentally like, hey shit. Yeah, anyways, yeah. Yeah, that will be enough lah. And then I'll put ice. Shukri. So I think this is perfectly fine, but if you want it as a beverage and you want to take a longer time to drink, then go ahead and add more water. I really like how this tastes, and like what I told you guys, I really like the, if you guys follow me on my main IG account, right, I told you guys I love this like chia seed peach jelly. Wait, let me show you guys. And with this purchase, right, you'll get like 1 free bottle, which is, I think, value for money, and you'll definitely use it. Hey, someone finished my, where's my peach jelly? Someone finished my peach jelly. Oh no. So it looks like that. So this is the peach chia seed jelly. Tastes exactly like this. This one is in like solution drinkable formula, and then this one is like a solid jelly lah. But it tastes exactly like it. So good. Can you imagine taking this with like such a nice taste, and then you still can get like detoxifying benefits out of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drink it. Bring you guys downstairs. Stocky stars! Make a Blend Peach Detox Glow with a free shaker bottle if you buy one of it. What a sellout. Hello guys, so this is my last Peach Detox Glow. As you can see, I cleared it out, and subsequently I could like poop a lot better, a lot smoother. And then this one is my last packet. I've been taking this for about like 1 month, and I've been loving it because it tastes so good and it has chia seeds inside, which means that it actually has like health benefits.
Okay, now that you guys have already seen my experience with this, if you guys are interested or you guys have any questions, leave it down below in the comment bar. And if you guys want to buy it, just go get it on my web store or Shopee, and I'll be ever grateful. See you guys in a bit. Bye!